In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use info panels in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight important information on any page so your readers can find what matters fast. Start by heading into your Confluence workspace. Open an existing page you want to improve, or click Create to start a new one. Once you're on the page, click Edit to enter editing mode. This is where you'll build and format your content. If you're revisiting a page, take a moment to scan the layout so you can decide where an info panel will be most helpful, like near the top for key context or beside a section that needs emphasis. To insert an info panel, place your cursor exactly where you want it to appear. The quickest method is to type /info in the editor and select info from the drop-down that appears. If you prefer the toolbar, click the Insert button with the plus icon and search for info panel. As soon as you select it, a panel block will appear on your page, ready for content. If you need Confluence, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description, so you can sign in or learn more before following along. Next, choose the panel type that matches your message. Info is great for general guidance or context and uses a blue background. Note is ideal for extra details and uses a yellow background. Tip is perfect for helpful suggestions and best practices and appears in green. Warning is reserved for alerts, blockers, or critical information and shows in red. Picking the right color helps readers instantly understand the priority of the content. Click inside the panel and start typing your message. Keep it concise and front-load the most important detail. You can include links to related pages or external resources, add images for quick visual cues, or insert small tables to summarize items. Use formatting tools like bold for key terms and shortlists to make scanning easier. Consider a brief header inside the panel, such as tip or important, to make it stand out even more. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your info panel will now stand out visually on the page, guiding your reader's attention exactly where you want it and making the content easier to navigate. Remember, you can always return to edit if you want to adjust the panel type or refine the text later. And that's how you use info panels in Confluence, to make your pages visually engaging and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching.